All larger electronic devices.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. No, it's trying to stop.
I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Hey guys, so I'm on my phone right now, and we are in the Uber. We're in the Uber. Hey, what time is it? Let me see.
4:37.
Shout out the time, girl. 4:37. Mommy, say hi to the vlog.
No,
Yeah,
don't push, please.
I'm gonna look into it.
Say hi to the vlog. Say what up.
Check miles. Because all cars is a lot of miles. If you want to find user. But over there I saw lease miles, new models, and I don't know, I think so around 60. Also you can save a little money. The older, start check how it works. And then you go next one.
Do you get a lot of rides for wheelchair?
No, because no. But some people is using without voucher, like for insurance or maybe medical order, but without voucher, the option. But not like a vehicle.
Yeah, because a lot of them use accessory.
No, that's different. If you want accessory, the different schedule. There is
No, I said a lot of people are not taking Uber, they take accessory. Because a lot of my patients use.
Is that what?
He said yes, so he asked me if you have internet.
No, I'm asking you when we're like not at Shorty's house.
Even you see, this is Nassau.
Yeah.
Even Nassau is TLC.
Oh.
Before it was a regular place. Now Nassau, Westchester. Because
Guys, I got this big thing on my face. Don't pay attention. But we're in the airport, and I just want to vlog. So, yeah. I really don't have the patience for this airport. I don't have the patience for this. Like, look, yo, no. There's so many people. Bro, I just like when you have to go and you get here 5 hours before your flight and you just gotta wait. I just don't like these people. These people are so rude. 2 people cut in front of me. They see me walking with 3 people with a suitcase. They're gonna go right in front of me. Then this lady that's checking on the bags, she's not having patience, and she's like, oh, come on, messing up the system. It's not there. Where are bags? Like, what? Like, no. Mommy, say hi to the vlog. Guys, it's been a rough time. It's been a rough few minutes. Cause they want to change up stuff. I don't know what just happened back there, but they had us going in zigzag. Mommy, they don't have clear blue no more.
We don't have, I have logo entry.
Oh. So,
Because it's biometrics, I have to apply separate for you, girl.
oh, it's not just 3, huh? They got pizza. What's Me's? Oh, they got. Good morning. And now we're just gonna look for some food now.
First, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way. Larger carry-on luggage goes in held devices, such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches. Please put the airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat. Contact the support system. If you are seated at home, wing exit, your window shade must remain open. Taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have not already fastened your seatbelt, insert the belt into the belt and pull the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated, in case of unexpected turbulence.
Center, yeah. They might have driven me crazy.
Hey Hey guys, so basically after a long flight, I cannot hear. My ears need to pop. They've been hurting the whole time. We was like landing. My ears was just hurting, my head was hurting. I'm like, oh my goodness. Then my mom,
She lost her phone.
she lost her phone.
And it was on.
For like half of it, like an hour, 40 minutes left of the flight. We was just looking for the phone, looking for the phone. I kept falling asleep. She kept waking me up. Madison, can you do the Wi-Fi on the iPad to locate it? And I'm like, I don't know if you can locate an Android phone. It was on the chair in between the crevices, like I said. We made it to Montego Bay. Now we gotta figure out who's gonna get us. Yeah, they played. Look at this. They played.
Guest house. Wait, mommy, which
Mommy, which one you did?
Residential.
All the way down here.
Enter Paradise.
Wait, who?
It's crazy.
You're still recording, you know that, right?
I know. I'm showing them. We have to wait on Nicholas. And how long is he gonna take, mommy? 1 hour. And you see how much people is in here? There's no place to sit. There we go, I'll leave it. Anyways, see you guys when he gets here. I mean, look, so just like, what time is it? We've been waiting here for like 5 hours, sleeping, waking up, eating beef patties. It's not 2:35. That's wrong. It's like 4. We've been waiting since like 11, but I'll give y'all some content. But look at
Me a couple dogs, me know what that did for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just try remember me. My last I love the cars. Have to protect the dog, them bad enough for we. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. If you are free, one of my brother, then you want to bring me.